What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I'm glad that you're here. I hope everybody's doing well. Sending thoughts and good vibes to every single one of you, and we're gonna make it through the next couple weeks. Just stay strong, stay healthy, keep washing your hands. Please ignore the wind noise and the shaky camera. I'm doing this handheld right now on my little GoPro. Anyway, as you guys can see, I cleaned up the garage a little bit. Still looks quite messy, but I moved my shelf over here. It was over here before. I had to get a new light because that blew out. She's windy out there, damn. Anyway, we got the Civic here. I cleaned up my mess. It's still kind of fucked up, but it is what it is. Wow, I need to sweep too. Anyway, so the garage is clean. As you can see, the head is not put back on yet. And that's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about. To start this off, honestly, I listen to every single one of you, and I answer just about every comment, and I really do take everything to heart. Even if I seem kind of obtuse at times, I really have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I just have a lot of heart in this shit. You guys have been making a bunch of really good suggestions as to what I should buy. And I am kind of limited on funds now that I am out of work because nobody's hiring videographers. So yeah, if any of you want ads for your business or anything, I can do that remotely, so hit me up. Anyway, I was told to ditch the PCV valve. So I'm ditching this entire box. I got a plug to go in there, which is gonna go to the catch can that I ordered. I didn't buy a new water pipe, but I did buy the entire section that goes over here, the back part of the housing and the front part of the housing, and a new thermostat. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys think I should drill a hole in the thermostat. I've read that is quite beneficial, and I have always had cooling issues with this block. So kind of thinking I should probably do that, but I want to make sure with you guys first. I did get the OEM gasket in, so that'll be going on. I'll probably be putting it on Wednesday because I want to make sure all my parts are in so that I don't have to be working on the backside of everything with the head on. That just doesn't make sense. My knock sensor broke, so I had to order one of those, which is nifty. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the ARP head studs with the OEM gasket. I am gonna clean the surface off a little bit before I do that. I probably will be putting a new fuel filter in right now, if I have an extra one. I don't remember whether I have an extra right now. If not, that can always. Alrighty guys, so if you've made it this far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you haven't already, let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on while you guys are stuck at home, if you're stuck at home, and just stay well, please. Peace out, Cub Scouts.